Click on the link below to get price. The Moped Style 750W 1500W electric bike is an impressive blend of power, efficiency, and style, designed for adults seeking a reliable mode of transportation. With its eye-catching moped design and robust performance, this electric bike stands out in the crowded e-bike market. Equipped with a powerful 750W motor that can boost to 1500W, it delivers a thrilling ride that can reach speeds of up to 33 miles per hour. This capability is particularly beneficial for urban commuters who need to navigate busy roads quickly. The bike's acceleration is smooth and responsive, making it enjoyable for both new and experienced riders. In terms of range, the PAS pedal assist system offers an impressive distance of 34 to 80 miles, depending on the mode you select and your riding conditions. This versatility ensures that it can handle longer commutes or leisurely weekend rides without the constant worry of recharging. The bike features two battery options, 48V15, 6Ah and 48V18, 2Ah, both providing ample energy for long-distance travel. Users will appreciate the quick recharge time, which allows for minimal downtime. The design of the moped-style electric bike is another highlight. It combines a durable frame with a comfortable seating arrangement, making it suitable for longer durations of driving. The wide tires provide excellent stability and grip, enhancing safety in various weather conditions. Moreover, the inclusion of LED lights and a horn ensures visibility and safety for night riding. However, potential buyers should consider the weight of this electric bike, which may be on the heavier side when compared to traditional bicycles. This could make handling a bit challenging for some riders, especially when maneuvering in tight spaces. Overall, the Moped Style 750W 1500W electric bike is a fantastic option for those who value power, range, and style. Whether for daily commutes or weekend adventures, it promises a thrilling and reliable riding experience that is hard to beat.